Hello guys, what are your names? My name is Sharon.
My name is Emily.
My name is Chocolate.
So do you guys know why you guys are decorating the bikes for the salmon parade?
Is it because the salmon festival?
Yeah, and the parade. So you guys can also do this at home. So you guys take and find an end. If you guys want it to be like a better end, so you can cut it, but I don't need. So take your tape and your string. Take a wheel of your bike
I'm gonna
and
cut
do
it
it like this.
Good.
You kind of like cue it.
What
you
do
can
we-
knot it.
Can you help
But-
me?
Yes, right after I show this example. You take and you can tie a knot. You can put the tape. I'm gonna tie a knot, and then I'm gonna take the tape.
I don't know how to take a knot.
If you don't know how, you can take the tape and you can just kind of like tuck it into a little clump and kind of tape it.
Is it like this?
Wait. And then I'm gonna tape it down. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna shove it through this one, like this. And you're gonna poke it out the other one. So it goes like, yeah. And then you pull it out. And then you pull it. And then you do that again and again and again until you cover the whole entire wheel. So I'll show you guys some other hacks because we're gonna pause this one. All right, now let's begin. So I have these that you can make at home for your handlebars.
I think one of those are nice.
So look, you can attach it like that, maybe hot glue it onto your bike if you want to keep it on there for a while. Now let me show you some other things you can do to your bike handles.
Can I?
Because number one, look at this. See, look at this. See, you can attach this to your bike, like so. You can use these blue things to attach them. Do you want to this one? Here's the other one to attach to the other side. Your choice. All right, now you will need scissors for this one. Each of you will get one blue, one green, and one big blue plate. And now don't cut anything yet. So we're gonna need to do this. Last plate. Emily, here you go. All right, here you go. So take your blue paper plate and take your scissors. And you're gonna cut out a circle like this. Take and you're gonna cut out a circle. The blue plate, I'll show you guys in a sec. The blue plate, the blue small plate, and you're gonna cut out a circle, leaving only the inside of the plate. No rim is left. Like this. It's supposed to look like this. All right, take your blue plate. Pick it up, get it, your blue plate.
Okay.
See the white side of your blue plate?
Put it on. You put it
Will
on.
be put on the blue white side of your blue plate, and then you attach your green plate to the blue plate, like this.
Where's my
It should look like this. Okay, so once you're done, you'll be able to stick it on this part of your bike. All right, take this.
I guess
We're gonna pop it on the back, and then look. We'll do it right here. And boom. Now I have one more craft and another suggestion for you to do at home. Do you guys want to do the hula hoops?
What are the hula hoops for?
Well, I'll show you. Now I'm gonna come around. Oops, there's masking tape on this. This needs to come off. All right. Okay. So there are 4 hula hoops to choose from. Choose a hula hoop right here. Which hula hoop would you like? You'd like the exact same? All right, there you go. Now I get this one. Now watch me do this because this is kind of complicated. So each of you, I'm gonna give you 2 of these. Now I'm going to take 2 of these. And you don't need duct tape or anything for this, you just need this. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna attach this to our bike. Do you guys wanna do this? So over here, we're gonna take, it's gonna be like a loop-de-loop like this. All right, there we go, we attached it. First one. Now you gotta do the second one. So you can decorate your bike like this, or you can do it like my bike right here into a salmon, like this.
But it might hurt your wheels.
No, it won't. So now let's go decorate our helmets.
Okay, I'll put my bike away.
Now just choose one of those, and I'm gonna choose a pipe cleaner. This is a nice golden one. Choose one. And choose a pom-pom. It can be this size.
I'm gonna be this.
It can be this size, or
How about a little one?
those are too small, or this size. Now you're gonna take it. You take your pom-pom and use the big one. And you're gonna take it and you're gonna wrap it around, and you're gonna kind of twist it at the bottom here, like so. And you can't see the pipe cleaner. So now we're gonna use yours. Okay, look. I'm gonna take her helmet and I'm gonna choose which hole do you want to shove it through. Let's say I want to shove it through this one. I'll flip. You don't want this poking at your head, so you're gonna go through the next one and kind of twist it on top. So you kind of twist it like this. Maybe make like a little knot, kind of tighten the knot, maybe kind of like so. Just like so. There you go. So while she's gonna finish, we're gonna start our second type. As you guys can see, we have markers, felt pen markers. You will take the top and you'll hold it and you'll wrap around the pen, your pipe cleaner,
This is hard.
and wrap it around, but you don't wanna wrap the full thing, so you'll have, and then you kind of
Twist.
take it off carefully. And you have a pipe cleaner, kind of swiggly thingy. So since mine isn't long enough, I'm gonna look for another white pipe cleaner and attach it to this pipe cleaner to make it a bit longer. Okay, do you wanna try it?
Okay.
All right, so as you can see, Emily made hers and she attached it to the back where she attached her pom-pom right here. And we made these really cool crafts today. I hope you enjoyed this video for the Celebrating the Salmon Festival. And I hope you liked it. And here it is on Emily's hat. And I hope you enjoy celebrating the Salmon Festival with us digitally, just like a real parade. Thanks you. Hope you